Welcome to PACTApp. In this video tutorial, I am going to show how to manage the baseline. In the home page, we can see in the baseline sections there are some statistical data like total number of baseline created or the ones for drafted, submitted, approved and rejected, and also from the top corner we can go to the baseline list by clicking on the see list link. So in the list view we will see all the available baselines. We can do search here by writing anything, or we can do filtering clicking on the filter icon on the top right corner. Here we will have the option all, submitted, approved, rejected. If we select the submitted, only the submitted ones will be shown. If we click on the approved, so only the approved one will be shown. Now to add a new baseline, we have to click on the more tab on the bottom right corner, then select the baselines options. Here we will have the baseline list option again on the top, and also the option to add a new baselines. To create a new baseline, we have to first select the theme. I am going to use all the dummy data for creating a new baseline. I am going to select the land theme here. We can actually select any location by tapping on the preferred location where we want. We can maximize or minimize the view of the map. We can move the map location. We can come into the current location clicking on the top icon, and we can tap where we want to place the marker. Then after selecting the specific location, usually the location is going to be the current location, so clicking on the current location, selecting the current location will be the right option in most of the cases. After selecting the location, we will have to click on the add new button, so the baseline form will appear. Here we will have to give the baseline name. I am going to use the dummy data here. Then we will be asked for the baseline image. We can click on the upload picture upload button. Then we will have two options, gallery and camera. We can use the camera to take new picture, or we can use existing images from the gallery view. I am going to click on the camera. Then I am going to add a picture. Then I will have to fill in rest of the fields. Have to select the admin areas from here. Have to provide all the required field actually. We can save the form at any point by clicking on the save icon on top right corner. So we will have the message baseline was successfully saved. Then it will disappear from here, and to modify that baselines again we will have to go to the offline tab immediately after the more tab. Clicking on the offline at the bottom, we will see a list. From here we will have to click on the baselines. Here we will have the baselines that we were creating, which is school 1 for my case. I am going to click on that, so I can edit any of the field from here. Click on next. Again I can actually save at any point here. Baseline form will be saved and stored in the offline tab. So clicking on the baselines will show the list. Select it, then fill the rest of the field, and finally we will have the update or submit button. If we forget to put in to the values for any of the required field and try to submit, it will actually not allow to submit me. It will show the message that which field is missing. So we will have to make sure we are giving all the values for the missing fields. Finally, we will have to click on the submit button and the form will be submitted and the success message will be shown. Then the baseline will disappear from the offline list, so we no longer see the baselines in our offline list. And if we go to the home view, we will see that the number is updated. It was 6, now it is 7, and the submitted ones is increased. If we go to the baseline list by clicking on the C list, we will see that list is available here. The school one is here. Okay, so at the submitted state, it is actually waiting for the approval. So the reviewer will review and approve it. After the approval, we will get notified and the status will be updated. This is how the baseline is going to be managed into the app. Thank you for watching the tutorial.